Welcome back to Amazon Service of the Week series. This week we're exploring AWS Lambda, a revolutionary service that lets you run your code without the hassle of provisioning or managing servers. Let's dive into how Lambda is transforming the way we build and scale applications in the cloud. Three main features of AWS Lambda are serverless computing. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service, which means you can run code without having to worry about managing servers. Just upload your code and Lambda takes care of everything from provisioning to scaling. Second is automatic scaling. Lambda automatically scales your application by running the code in response to each trigger. Whether you have one request or a million, Lambda adjusts the number of instances running your code, so you only pay for what you use. Third feature is event-driven execution. One of the key strengths of Lambda is its ability to execute in response to events. Whether it's a file upload to S3, an update in DynamoDB, or an HTTP request via API gateway, Lambda can be triggered to act immediately. Now let's talk about some use cases of Lambda. One is automatic image resizing. For example, when a user uploads a profile picture to your website, Lambda can automatically resize the image to fit the required dimensions, saving the resized image back to S3. This ensures all images are perfectly sized without any manual effort. Another use case is sending welcome emails. When a user signs up on your website, a Lambda function can be triggered to automatically send a personalized welcome email to the new user, providing a seamless and automated onboarding experience. AWS Lambda is changing the way developers build and deploy applications by taking infrastructure management out of the equation. If you're looking to streamline your cloud development, Lambda is definitely worth exploring. For more information, check out the AWS documentation linked below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode of Amazon Service of the Week series. See you next time.